going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano and welcome back to the channel.
Thank you for subscribing, and right now we have another unboxing.
I recently was online and one of the commenters had said, hey, did you check out this new clone, which actually cloned the W1 chip for the Airpods. So
basically, you know, these things keep getting better and better,
but they actually have a clone now for the Apple Airpod W1 chip.
So this is them right here. It's called the Air Mx TWS
Bluetooth earbuds ARXY, mini one-to-one AirPod. But you can see you're gonna get that like that little notification if you have Apple, and it also has wireless charging too, which is definitely really cool. You can see it says super bass, touch control, auto pairing, support Siri, Bluetooth 5.0, and binaural calls. And this is the part
that actually surprised me. I don't know if you can see
this, but it has a chart. Better, the vocal quality is going to be better, the battery life, and you can see this is the i12s, which is only a 3 stars, then the i10s 4 stars. They're saying this has the best sound quality, best connection, best video playback, best bass. So I'm like,
that was the thing that I was like, wait a minute, I gotta test this out right now.
It says it's gonna be 5 stars all across the boards.
Actually gonna work. We have our unboxing knife right here on deck. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and put this off to the side and let's go ahead and open this thing up. So let's go ahead, boom. I'm gonna actually,
there we go, a nice clean cut right here. And then, okay, so we do have
a pouch, guys. You get a pouch with these, so that's definitely pretty cool. That's the first impression, but there's actually something in here. Okay, so we got a nice little neck cord
right here. And if you like my hat, definitely repping the logo, C Butler logo, so make sure you guys check out the store. But right here you can see they do come with the neck grips right out the box, so we're gonna put that off to the side.
And then you do get a pouch for them, which, you know, I never seen that before. Right here it says paid ear, right here, paid ear, pad ear. Definitely nice presentation. I haven't seen this on any of the other AirPod clones. They didn't give me
accessories other than the AirPods and the cord. And check out that video I did about the accessories for the i10s, i12s, i14s, and i18s. You'll be able to check out some really cool accessories in that video. But let's go
ahead and open up. Wow, so this box definitely has a presentation
that is similar to the AirPods, as you can see right here. Wow, they did a really good job on the box. Let me just go ahead and read some of the specifications off of this box. This is definitely like high quality right here. I haven't seen this presentation.
Usually says that i10 on it or something like that, but this one says the model right here, as you can see, and it says Air Mx. Battery capacity is 400 milliamp hours. Earbuds capacity is 40 milliamp hours. The firmware version is the Air Max 10. I think that says 11.1112 or i12. Boom. Okay, and then this side's good. So let's just, we open that, we cut that. Let's just open this up. So now you can see this box. We're gonna put that to the side right here. We're getting the Air Mx earbuds. So this is
what they say. They said the sound quality is gonna be 5 stars.
As opposed to 3 or 4 stars from the i10s or the i12s.
So let's go ahead, let's take these out of the packaging.
It's always tricky to get this thing off. It's actually glued on there, but I'm just gonna slide it right out. That was pretty simple. So you can see right here, it's all milky white. You get the button right here. Let's just go ahead and
open these up. You can see they do look really cool. There's no like microphones that are visible, just like the clones, or yeah, the clone i12s, which was the blue box.
You can see right here, really cool, clean design, really nice. Ooh, how'd they know I was gonna like that?
That's like one of the best parts about the case. It's a pretty premium case. Definitely pretty cool stuff here. So let's just go
ahead. Let's see what else is in the box. Let's pull this up. Pull this part open. Wow. So
we're gonna use this. It has like tape around here, I guess, for Never seen that before, but that's pretty cool.
Right here it does say Air Max. Now these are supposed to last 3.5 hours is what they're saying. And you can
see we're getting a really long instruction manual. Here you can long press it as touch control.
All right, we're ready to go. I got my signal for 4G on my tablet down here.
To remove them from the charger right now, it looks like, but yeah, the Air MXs are charging. You can see it has a really big sound chamber right here, so hopefully that's going to emit a lot of sound. Take a look at the size, and it looks like they're identical in size, but it does kind of seem like the i18 is a little bit bigger. I'm gonna put the Batman case on this iMX Max, and
as always, links will be in the description section right down below. Wow, that fit just like a glove. Are you kidding me? So yeah, that fits.
Alright guys, we're gonna test out the Air Max right now, so make sure you guys stay locked in. So right here, they're actually
charging. Wait, this looks stupid. Let me just put that backwards. So open up the Bluetooth right here. Boom, I got that open, Bluetooth. Now what we're gonna do
is remove both earphones at the exact same time.
So as you can see right here, I open that up. Then you can see that they're red right there. Both of them are red. I'm just gonna remove them at the exact same time. 1 and 2. Now they're lighting up. This one is blue, that one is blue.
Left channel, right channel, boom. It says pairing. I didn't do nothing and they already said pairing. So these are just like the i18s, except they got the light. This one stopped blinking. This one's still blinking. Let's look at ours.
They already paired to each other before I even did anything. But you can see this one's still blinking because it's not paired to the actual device. So once I press this button, which I'm gonna press right now, boom. Now you look at that light.
Look at that light. The light. Oh wow, it says 2 devices are connected to this thing. So it's, I don't know what's going on, but it just said there a second device was connected to this thing. So let's just go ahead and check out the sound quality right now. I can't wait. I know you can't wait. Let's go ahead and do this thing. Let's go Spotify right here. I just went down this.
So I'm getting music.
I've got the volume right here.
That's halfway up and they sound good. Wait, that's 3/4 of the way up. So the pause controls work. I'm talking over myself right now.
Now, are these better than the i18s,
i14s, i12s?
The sound is really good. I'm getting bass. I don't think they sound better than the i18s.
Right now. The i18s are the sound champions. Those are the best sound. These sound pretty good though. And you're getting that
Airpod feature that pops up on the Bluetooth. Not Airpod feature. iPhone feature that pops up on the Bluetooth. On the Android, it'll just auto pair, which is dope.
But I'm talking over myself right now. 3/4 of the volume is up right now. Let me just show you
what it looks like when the full...
Whoa. Yo, these sound dope. I got the volume all the way up right now. I can barely hear myself right now. I might have to take back the comment about the i18s. These might be louder, but the bass isn't better. These are definitely louder than the i18s, but the bass is not as good.
But these are loud, and these get almost, I think, louder than the i18s. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me pause it real quick.
Guys, these are the loudest.
By far, these are louder than my i18s. Honestly.
Airpods I reviewed, they're louder, but the bass on these black i18s is better. So it just depends if you're a bass head or not. volume wise, these are the champions.
These have reached a volume level that I didn't think was possible on these little clones or AirPods. This might actually compete with the sound quality of the real Airpod 2s or the Airpod. Yeah, but these are the bass champions, and these Air MXs are the volume champions. So one tap right here,
and it actually paused on here. So that was one tap. Let me tap here to play it. Yup, that worked. These sound amazing, guys.
Let me show you 1, 2. Oh, it worked.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2,
1, 2. Okay, so the left side is decreasing it and the right side is increasing it. Now let's try to change the songs. 1, 2, 3.
So forwards is the left side. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, I could get with this. I can get with this.
Guys, all right, let's watch a video real quick on YouTube, and then after that, I'll let you know for sure if this is worth it over the i18s or i14s or i12s or even the i10s, which I should be getting later this month.
We got a new series on the channel, a full day with. If you want to see me spend a full day with any tech that I reviewed here on the channel, make sure you leave a comment down below and I will make sure to do a full day, a real full day with that piece of tech. So let's go ahead and skip that ad. I'm going to test out the video playback right now for you guys and just let you know if there's any delays on the videos right here.
So let's go ahead and skip that ad. I'm going to test out the video playback right now for you guys and just let you know if there's any delays on the videos right here. Now I'm rocking my Chewy High 9 Pro right here, which is the 8.inch phone that you should check out that video right after this one, because if you like electronics just like I do, then you will definitely like this thing, which works on T-Mobile and Cricket Wireless. So let's see the video playback. Wow, the lips are on point 100%. Guys,
it has really good sound, 5 stars. Auto pairing, they didn't lie, it has 5 stars. I don't have a wireless charger, so I can't test the wireless
charging for you, but it doesn't have any video playback. It's better than the i18s in that aspect that there's no video playback latency lag. Would I recommend these? Yes, I will. I will recommend these. And if you want
where to get them, make sure you look down below in the
description section down below of this video. Check out my Chewy High 9 Pro video right after this, and also check out the accessories video, which I unboxed so many accessories. They're all on my AirPod clones right now, but check out more videos just like this. Make sure you click the bell and the like button to show your
appreciation and support for the channel.
Every single like helps the channel. Without any further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and
depending on where you are, have a great night. Peace, crew.